Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're investing with Betterment, one of the smartest robo-advisors out there, you know how important it is to keep your portfolio aligned with your personal comfort level. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to adjust your risk level in Betterment. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, this can help you adapt to life's changes, like a new job or nearing retirement. First off, let's quickly recap what Betterment is. It's an automated investment platform that builds and manages a diversified portfolio based on your goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. Adjusting your risk level means tweaking how aggressive or conservative your investments are. Think stocks for higher growth or bonds for more stability. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Betterment account on their website or app. Once you're in, head over to the Portfolio section. This is usually found on the dashboard. Look for a tab that says Investments or Accounts. Here, you'll see an overview of your current holdings and risk settings. Next, click on Risk Tolerance or Portfolio Settings. Betterment makes this super user-friendly with a simple slider or a series of questions to reassess your preferences. Slide it towards Conservative if you want less volatility, or Aggressive for potentially higher returns. As you adjust, you'll see a preview of how this changes your asset allocation, maybe more bonds or more stocks. Don't forget to review any recommendations Betterment provides based on your age, goals, and market conditions. Once you're happy with the changes, hit Save or Update. It might take a day or two for the adjustments to fully kick in, so keep an eye on your account. Why bother with this? Well, life isn't static, and neither should your investments be. Regularly tweaking your risk level can protect your hard-earned money during tough times or help you capitalize on growth opportunities. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor. There you have it. That's how you adjust your risk level in Betterment in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.